Measure in the center the median. The median of a set of data is the middle value of the ordered set of data, and that's important. If there are n data values, we can find the middle by evaluating n plus 1 divided by 2. We'll look at that in a moment. So there's two steps: order the data and find the middle value. Now, sometimes students have difficulty remembering which is which, but I always remember mid. While we're at it, mode, most, they both begin with MO, and the mean is just mean because we get you to add up lots of numbers. So we want to find the median number of goals scored by Amber over the last netball season. So step one is we need to put this data in order. And I think the smallest one is the 7. And then I've got, I think, 2 8s. I'll come back and correct if I miss something. I've got a 9. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 10s. I've got an 11. And that leaves me with 2 12s. Now there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 data values, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's a good sign. Now, you can do things like crossing off from each end until you reach the middle and that sort of stuff. I've seen students do that, and that's fine when you've got 11 pieces of data. But what if you had 101? You really wouldn't want to do that. So if there's 11 pieces of data, let's look at this. N is 11, so I've got 11 add 1 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And that tells me the 6th piece of data is the one in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's that 10 just there. And so our median is equal to 10. So it's important to remember this tells you where it is, and the median value is the number we find in that position. Now, just a note here, because I don't have another example on this, let's suppose we'd had an extra piece of data, such as a 13 on the end here. There's then 12 pieces of data, and if we do 12 plus 1 and divide that by 2, that's 6.5. And that tells you need to be between the 6th and 7th pieces of data. And that would put you in this gap just here. In this case, halfway between 10 and 10 is 10. But if it had been, say, between the 11 and the 12, then it would have been 11.5.